hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining. And thank you, Ashika and Erica and T and all of you for doing this with us. So today we have a live session with them, and Erica Auntie has been running Creative Play and Learn for 27 years now. And she is amazing with kids, and hopefully you guys enjoy this session. And her daughters are following in her footsteps, and they also have a mosaic company. So I'll let them take over now and take you through the activity.
Okay, so you all know what a volcano is, right? So some people also call a volcano fire mountain, because very often a volcano is a mountain, and inside that mountain it's got very, very hot, and there's lots of melted rock. It's so hot that the rocks melt, and then fire comes out of it. There, can you see the fire mountain? So that's the fire mountain. But I must tell you a secret, that all volcanoes are not mountain shaped. Some of them just come as cracks in the earth. It doesn't necessarily mean that a volcano has to be a mountain. Okay? Now, the word volcano actually is named after the Roman god Vulcan. So there was a Roman god of fire called Vulcan, and the word volcano actually comes from that. We can get volcanoes all over the world. Some of them are even under the sea. In the Pacific Ocean, there is a particular place called the Pacific Ring of Fire. And under that, there are lots and lots of volcanoes. So that water makes it very, very dangerous. In case any cruise ships or anything are going, they never go through that Pacific Ring of Fire. Because imagine if a volcano erupts under the sea, and what will happen to the boat, right? What will happen to the ship? There will be nothing left of the ship. Volcanoes also, volcanoes happen when there are layers. Ashika, you have the layers of the tectonic plates of that visual?
Should we play the video?
Okay, so there are layers of earth, and these layers of the earth are called tectonic plates. Sometimes these plates come together, and as they come together, it causes the earth underneath to become very hot, and so hot that there's lots of gas formed, and the rocks start to melt, and then boom, that becomes a volcano. Play the video, Ashika. See, you can see here, you can see the tectonic plates. You can see the tectonic plates.
A volcano looks like just any mountain until it erupts and reveals the gigantic forces and extreme temperatures inside the earth. The mountains of fire come from the earth's mantle. The rock here is very hot and very thick. The hot liquid rock called magma can move to the surface at some places. Magma is hotter than smelted iron. Magma can collect in spaces with chimneys several kilometers long that connect them to volcanoes at the surface. With ever more magma coming up from the mantle, the pressure is rising. Suddenly, a heavy plug of stone explodes out of the chimney. Red-hot magma shoots out of the crater and turns into lava when it runs down the slopes. The volcano has erupted.
So that's how we saw how the volcano erupted, right? Now, can I tell you another secret? Do you know that the world's highest volcano is actually on planet Mars? And it's called Olympic Mons. It's the world's biggest volcano. The one of Jupiter's moons called Io. You know, Jupiter has many moons, right? The planet Jupiter has 17 moons, and one of them is called Io. And the surface of planet Io has got loads and loads and loads of volcanoes, and they're constantly erupting. Okay, now you know that that sometimes volcanoes can sleep for many years. They erupt and then they go to sleep for many years, and then they erupt again after many hundreds of years. Those volcanoes are called dormant volcanoes. about 5 or 6 years ago in Iceland, there was a big volcanic eruption. And there was so much of gas and smoke in the air that no flights could go in and out of London for almost 2 weeks. Everything was stopped because of this volcanic ash that was just going and blowing into the air, and the planes couldn't see. Just 2 days ago in Indonesia, there was a mountain called Mount Merapi, which erupted. So you see, volcanoes are very much still erupting. In places like Hawaii, we have lots of volcanoes. And there's one in America called St. Helena's, which erupts all the time. Today, we are going to make a volcano just using things in your house. Okay, do you have some whole wheat flour with you? Who has flour? Who has the flour? Come on. Does everyone have a little plate and a bowl like this? Does everyone have one? Yeah. Kabir? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now let's take the flour. Okay, let's take the flour and let's put it into our bowl. Can we do that? You know how to make chapatis, right? So, come on, let's put it into the bowl like this. See, Lian, Baba, look, I put all the flour in the bowl. Okay, yeah, super, 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 sweetie. Come. Who's with Kabir Shah? He needs to put the flour in the bowl. Yeah, right, Deva did that, super. Here, can you see here? So here I've got the bowl, the thing in the flour. Now just how we make a chapati dough. So now how are we going to mix it? We're going to take some oil. And we're going to take some oil and we're going to put it in. Yeah, here we mix the oil. Now let's take the water. Some water, not too much water, okay? Put the water slowly. And we are going to mix it. Let's mix it. Yeah, let's mix. Let's mix. Let's mix. Come on, let's mix it. Just how you make a chapati. Mix, mix. And because we don't want it to get spoiled, we'll put some salt in it. Okay, let's mix some salt. And let's mix some lemon juice, because otherwise cockroaches and ants and all that will come and eat this up, huh? So we don't want that to happen. So what all did we put in it? We put the wheat flour, we put water, we put some salt, we put some oil, we put some lemon juice. Okay, now all this to make our volcano, all right? I'm putting the lemon juice. Is it Kabir Shah's, is someone helping you?
Yeah,
is someone helping?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay, so let's make a big mountain now, okay? Rian, is yours ready? Sana's, is that Sana? Sana's yours ready? Very good, sweetie. Okay, now you know how a mountain looks, right? So let's now shape this into a big mountain. Come on. Let's spit it and pat it. Let's spit it and pat it. It shouldn't be too wet, okay? Sheetal Lora, Ashika Sheetal Lora saying, can Yashvi come in? What's the thing?
I'll send it to her.
Just send it to her.
Do we need to make this bigger? Hi, do we need to make this bigger or this one is fine?
You can make it slightly bigger.
We'll have to do the whole thing again, right? Take more proportion of everything.
No, otherwise just leave it as is. It's fine. Even if it's a small one, it doesn't matter.
Okay, thank you.
Ours is still too wet.
Put a little bit of more wheat flour in it. Just
Okay.
add some more dry wheat in it.
Okay. We actually took maida. Do we need to start again?
You need to do atta. You need to do atta. With maida, it won't happen properly. You have atta handy?
Yeah.
Even we took
Okay,
maida.
Okay, so
you
we
took maida. You make your mountain. Did you do it? Did you manage to make it?
Yeah. We took maida, but it's happening.
It's happening, then it's fine. Then it's fine. I just feel that atta is more, it's just more, it's easier to mold. That's all. You sent her the link? Had she messaged you?
I got it. No. Just mix it. I just added it. Bus.
You could just message her and say, I've sent you the link. Come on fast. A child is like that. That's. Just take her phone and
Is this good?
Yeah, looks good.
oh, love. Nice, Devadit. That's okay. That's it. Don't forget to put the salt and don't forget to put the lemon juice, okay?
Now what should I do?
Sana, lovely. Yeah, and I can't see your mountain.
Kabir, even yours looks
Cool.
good.
Oh, nice. Lovely, Kabir. Rena. Come, baby, mix it. Come, sweetie, mix it, darling. Don't worry, I'm waiting for you to finish. This is a cool volcano trick that I'm going to show you, and you can even show it to your friends. You can keep the same volcano, you can show it to your papa, or you can show it to anyone who's in your house, okay?
You can even paint the volcano whenever you want.
Yeah, afterwards you can paint it.
Do you want us to make the hole on top?
Yeah, yeah, I've made a hole on top. Just with your finger, just put your thumb in and make the hole. This hole is called the crater, as you all know. Rian, on the top, Rian, on the top of your mountain, put your finger in and make a little hole. On the top of your mountain, make a small hole. Yeah.
Can come out from you.
Okay. So now you have your crater ready.
Now what should I do?
Yes, 1 minute. Okay, now we need some plain white vinegar. You know, when the lava is coming out of this mountain, out of the volcano, it comes bubble, and it also comes up, right? Now we can't have it come up because we're doing this in our house. So I'm going to show you how to make lava which bubbles out of your volcano. So take your vinegar first, and lava is orange. So if you have some orange food color, we can add some food color to make the vinegar orange.
How much vinegar do we take?
Take a little bit, take half a cup or something for now. Then you can always, if you're redoing it, then you can always mix in some more vinegar. When you can do this volcano, like they might want to see this eruption happen a couple of times. So, okay. Yeah, that's gone off.
Mine could fit just a few drops of vinegar and it's like coming up to the
Huh?
Mine only a few drops.
Don't put the vinegar, keep the vinegar in a separate thing, the orange vinegar, keep it in a separate container for now. And do you have baking soda? Do you have baking soda? So look what I'm doing. I'm pouring the baking soda into the funnel, into that hole that you made, into the crater of the volcano. Can you see doing? I'm saying soda. And now, are you all ready? Show me, let me see. Everyone ready? Have you put the baking soda in the crater of the volcano? Yes? Okay, Sana. Rian, have you done that? Rena baby? Ready? Ready? Okay. Kabir?
You ready?
Devadi, you're done, right? Okay, now look what happens.
Look what you do.
Now, I'm pouring in the vinegar. And can you see how it all comes flowing out of the volcano? Did you see that? Isn't that cool? Yes? Come on, do it. See? That's how you make your little volcanic eruption at home. Was that nice?
Yes.
And I can tell you another secret. If you really want to make a very big volcanic eruption, if you have a Coke can, put one Mentos sweet in the Coke can and it will go whoosh. But do it outdoors because your house will get all spoiled if you do that indoors. Okay, in a Coke can, just put one Mentos. And that will be a full volcanic eruption like a real one. Huh? Did you all like your volcano?
You can also take a Coke or something, even then if you just open the cap a little, it's going to come up.
Yeah, but if you can, that will absolutely explode. But I suggest you don't try it at home. You try it outdoors if you're outdoors somewhere. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
So, do you all remember where was the biggest volcano in the world? Where was it on? Was it on planet Earth or was it on another planet? It was on planet Mars. Yeah? Called Olympic Mons. Yes? Did you all enjoy this? See?
Yes.
My volcano is still erupting. So you can dry this out and you can even paint your volcano brown if you want. You can, keep the volcano and cover it with cling wrap and then use it again. And you can actually show it to, any friends who come over or whatever you want. Was that easy? Was that easy? Did you like it? Did you like the volcano? Yes? That's good. Lena, did you like your volcano, sweetie? Yes? Okay. Rian, what about you, Rian? Did you like it? Sanna, Kabir?
If you want to send any photos or videos of your little explosion, little volcanoes, please send them to Mika or Pooja or on the group chat.
And I'm waiting to see everyone's jellyfish later today. Yeah, did anyone make it?
No, not yet.
Thank you. Bye.
You can get very creative with your jellyfish. You can use so many things around your house. An old bottle, a Coke can. You can use so many things to make your jellyfish. Yeah, so I'm waiting to see your creative ideas. Yes?
Okay. Not this color, not this color. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
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 Have fun. Bye. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you all had fun. Yeah.